most accurate forecast from the WATE 6 on your side storm team.
Quiet evening across East Tennessee after a high in the upper 50s and sunshine. This clear skies allowed us to cool off quickly. Beautiful scene right here. Skylift Park in Gatlinburg. All the holiday lights up. Of course, it's closed now, but it's been busy the past several afternoons with tourists and people alike enjoying it. 39 is where we are in downtown Gatlinburg. Same thing for Tellico Plains in Athens. 38 in Crossville and 34 degrees in Middlesboro. They'll be close to freezing first thing tomorrow morning. Same thing in Jonesville, Virginia. We're at about 37. Knoxville, 38 in Maryville, and 39 in Wartburg. So there's definitely some chill to the air first thing Tuesday morning. But man, what a recovery. We're talking 25 to 30 degree swing from morning to afternoon, thanks to early sunshine and an increasing brisk southerly wind through the afternoon. That's even with some cloud cover starting to roll into the area. All ahead of a big storm system that's going to have a major impact across the deep south tomorrow, especially Mississippi and West Tennessee. Could be an outbreak of severe storms, some isolated tornadoes possible there. Notice how we're on the very fringe of this, not overly convinced that we're going to see an outbreak of severe storms. If there was anything, it would be back across portions of the plateau. Damaging wind gusts would be our concern, and this is mainly tomorrow evening into early tomorrow night. But I got a feeling this is mainly just going to be a wind event, and the bigger story, the gusty winds that we'll have in the Smokies before the storms even get here. It's just a tightening, what we call pressure gradient across the area. Winds will be 25 to 40, gusted near 70, above about 4,000 feet in elevation. But even some gusty winds are possible in some of the lower elevations, especially behind this cold front that slides through. Let's talk about that. This is tomorrow afternoon at 4 o'clock. Clouds are starting to build, but as you can see, we're still dry during the daylight hours. Shortly after, though, a few showers, maybe some rumbles of thunder showing up. That's 6 Central, 7 Eastern, and this is kind of our narrow window of opportunity for some of those stronger storms. Otherwise, we're talking about mainly just a rain event with some rumbles of thunder. This is 11 o'clock tomorrow night, so 24 hours from now, and additional showers into early Wednesday morning. Go ahead and grab an umbrella for some of these scattered lingering showers first thing on Wednesday, but more importantly, grab a jacket. I mean, you're heading out the door 6, 7 a.m. We're still in the 50s and 60s, but as soon as this front moves through, this is 10 a.m. Look at the temperatures already dropping 40s and 30s behind this. And by the time the kids are heading home from school, 30s and 40s for everybody. And the winds are quite gusty as well. That's a pretty big temperature change Wednesday afternoon. Some good news out of this, we're going to see some much needed rainfall. Some half-inch to 1-inch plus totals, with the highest totals most likely south of I-40. So maybe some 1 to 2 inches in some spots. That wouldn't surprise me. This is just from about sunset Tuesday to sunrise on Wednesday. Now, tonight's quiet, 37, mostly clear. Can't rule out some patchy fog, especially near some of the waterways, but that won't last long. That's gone by about 9:30 or 10 in the morning. Some early sun, increasing clouds, and 67 tomorrow. You'll really notice that wind start to pick up in the afternoon, especially in those higher elevations. And again, it could be very windy tomorrow night in the higher peaks of the Smokies. So the shower and storm chances move out pretty early Wednesday. That 60 is a bit deceptive. That's early in the morning. Again, we'll drop into the 40s by the afternoon, and we won't get out of the 40s on Thursday. Another round of scattered showers late Friday into early Saturday, and then again late Sunday into Monday. So kind of an extended wet pattern opportunity coming up in the next 7 days.
All right, Ken, thank you. Tonight